What's the meaning of bath chair? Bath chair. Bath chair.
Bath chair. Bath chair. A bath chair is a type of wheeled chair that was designed to help people with mobility issues bathe. The chair has a waterproof seat and backrest, and it can be wheeled into a shower or bathtub. The person using the chair sits in it and can take a shower or bath while remaining seated, which is helpful for those who cannot stand for long periods of time or have difficulty getting in and out of a standard bathtub. Bath chairs were first invented in the 19th century, and while they are less commonly used today due to advances in medical technology, they are still important devices for many people with disabilities.